could do pretty much anything that you want to offer for free to get people onto your email list. Why is it important to have people on your email list? Because that way you can convert them to buy something from you. If they're trusting you enough to go onto your email list and get answers from you, they might trust you enough to buy something from you, such as my course. Hi, my name is Nikki, and if you're new here, I help online teachers increase their income by establishing multiple streams of revenue. Now, one of the ways that I have a stream of revenue is through my courses, and that is going to be passive income over time. Right now, I'm still working and creating a lot, and that's probably going to be my full-time job as time goes on, but it's still passive in that I'll get customers on autopilot through organic traffic and advertising. So I'm going to show you how to create an audience and how to get customers through an email landing page. So a landing page is how you get people to sign up for email by giving them a freebie. So let's take a look at one of my landing pages. So first of all, when you're in Kajabi, this is a website builder and a website that hosts courses. Now my website is actually on WordPress, but I use Kajabi just to host my course and my landing page and my offers for my sales pages and things like that. So when you're in Kajabi, you will click on website and then you're going to go down to pages. I'm going to clone this so that if I change anything in it, there really won't be too much of a problem. Let me just move this down here for now. So for a landing page, what is a landing page exactly? A landing page is when you create a place for people to sign up for something. It's like a freebie, and I have a guidebook. It's the 7 steps to increasing your income online as an online teacher. So this guidebook is my freebie. It's called a lead magnet, and you can make your lead magnet a checklist, a guidebook, any type of PDF, a video series. You could do pretty much anything that you want to offer for free to get people onto your email list. Why is it important to have people on your email list? Because that way you can convert them to buy something from you. If they're trusting you enough to go onto your email list and get answers from you, they might trust you enough to buy something from you, such as my course. So for you, it might be something different. It might be tutoring. It might be a product that you sell. It might be a t-shirt or some other product. Okay, so to set this page up, you can see on the side here, we have text. So when I click on it, you can see it's the very top part here. Now, if I go back, and if I want to click edit here, I can do that too. It gets me there faster. So now I'm going to edit the middle section. Now this text is white, so you can see that you can change the colors by clicking the font. Now I have my brand colors in here, and then to get the brand colors, you would go to the settings section, which is not here right now. I can show you that when we leave. But yeah, so if I want to change the colors, I can just click one of these, or I can do like a custom color if I want to add that. And you can get a hex code for the color if you know what the hex code is. Now, I just like to have pretty basic information here. I don't want to have too many words on here because I want it to look pretty simple and clear so people know what they're getting. And then on this section, what it says right here, it says get your free guidebook. And then when they click it, they're going to go to a URL, and I'm going to do a 2-step opt-in. Now for this part, this is the part where if I click settings, 2-step opt-in, I have them go to a form. So this is kind of a complicated setup because they're going to a form. Now, I have a separate email account through ConvertKit. You can do your email here in Kajabi though. I prefer ConvertKit because they are tried and true for email. And it's not that much money in terms of what I'm making. Like, I can fit it into my budget. So now some people prefer to use the Kajabi email. They don't have any issues with it. So it's up to you if you choose the Kajabi email or not. But you have to create that form ahead of time. So that would be like a whole other tutorial to show you how to do the ConvertKit form. If you do have ConvertKit and Kajabi and you want to know that, let me know in the comments and I'll make a whole other video for you about that. Okay, and then here I have an image. I have 3 images. So let's go back. You can see the sections. So we had the text up at the top. We have the hero with a form. So if I click that, you can see there's the text right here, the image right here, and then the call to action is right here. And then if you want to add content, so let's say I want to add something underneath here, it would be right there. Now to upload an image, you can choose a file. Let me see if I can select a recent image. Okay, let's just use this. So yeah, you can select older images that you have in here from before. Let's just save this. That is so weird that it won't go in the center. So sometimes if I can't figure things out because I don't have all the time in the world, I'll just do it like that. And then here's the thing with Kajabi, you can email them, you can send them messages and they do answer fairly quickly. They do answer fairly quickly when you send them messages on their chat. So if you have an issue come up where you can't fix something, you can always message them. They also have tutorials on their website, so you can use that too. All right, and then here I just added each image in, and that was a 3-section image. Now let's say I want to add in some text under there. So I can add text down here. And this is a whole new section. And then I'll click add. And then when you click on it, then you can edit it. Now let's just say I want to make this bigger. Then you click save. Now let's say I want to make this centered. I'll do that. But I can also do that from here. When you click format, alignment, center. And then again, you can choose the color that you want. And then there's text under here, and I can highlight this, and I can make this bigger as well. And I can save that. I can also expand this, or I can make it smaller, like that. So there's lots of different things you can do on here. And then you can preview this. Let's see what it looks like. Obviously, I'm not going to leave these things in, so let's delete this block. And let's delete this section. I'm going to save that. I'm going to click refresh because we see that. And then ideally you wouldn't want the menu on here. So the footer, I'm going to delete that menu. Now, terms and privacy you would want on there because Facebook likes that. Facebook wants you to have that if you do advertising, and I do advertising, so I do prefer to have that on there. All right, so you guys got to see how to create a landing page in Kajabi, and then when you go back to this one, when you go back to the main page, you can click Edit Details, and I might want to change this to Free Guidebook, so that's where you can change the title of it, and then I can also change the domain, and I can just click Save, and then I can copy this. Now, if you want your website, if you don't want Kajabi to be in there, you can go to Settings, and I think it's in Site Details, yes. So you can change this to just be NikkiLubing.com. But for me, I prefer not to do that. And here is where you can add colors to this palette here. So, you know, if I want a different color purple, I just click on that and I can change this to whatever hex code I want to change it to. So they give you so many colors that you can add in here. Some of these were here by default, and then some of them I added. Like this purple, I don't think I had those in there. I mean, I think Kajabi had those in there. And then for your course, you can have an image in here, and it automatically shows like who the instructor is in the course, but that's again a whole other video. So if you like this video, you guys, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, comment below, share, all those things, because it does help me. And it's an easy way for you to help if you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments if you want more tutorials like this for Kajabi, or if you have any other questions. Feel free to leave suggestions for what you want to learn all about Kajabi. See you in the next video. Bye!